back to school dry erase. Will it DTF? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Jeremy with DTF Superstore, and this is the last video in our Back to School's Will It DTF series. If you've missed any of the episodes, we have a playlist right over here. But we do have one more test, dry erase markers. Now, we talked about if we could put DTF on a whiteboard, but then we thought, I wonder if you could make a whiteboard using DTF. And that's what I've been wearing this whole series. Wow. Let's see if it works. Nope. Nope. Wet erase? Nope, that's not working so good. So dry erase, will it DTF? Or can I make a whiteboard on a t-shirt? Yeah, not so much. And on that terribly uninspiring note, thank you so much for watching this entire series. As always, if you've ever thought, I wonder if you could put DTF on that, let us know in the comments and we will test it. And for more expert tips and fun DTF ideas, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the amazing videos we have coming down the line. We'll see you guys next time.